Our ceremony signifies more than just a transition of leadership. It is a call to action. It is an invitation to embrace transformation, innovation, and collective progress. As education continues to evolve at a rapid pace, we must adapt and grow alongside it. To stay competitive and relevant, we must challenge outdated practices, implement necessary reforms, and revamp systems that no longer serve our institutions' best interests. As I take on this responsibility, I do so with a vision of an institution that not only honors its tradition, but also relentlessly pursues growth and progress. This is the moment to create a legacy of excellence. Let us work hand in hand to shape a brighter future for this college and for the generations to come. Let this moment mark the beginning of new chapter, one defined by progress, teamwork, and unwavering dedication to success. I look forward to working with each of you as we embark on this journey together. Thank you, and let us move forward together with determination, vision, passion, and purpose. May we all continue striving for greatness. Muchas gracias y muy buenos días a todos.